My name is Matthew Mazzotta, and the work that's been created here is called Local Habitat. We all know the bobcat because it's ferocious and it's courage, and that's what it's known for. But I said, it has to have another life as well. It has to take care of itself. It has to rest, has to have a family, it has to find safe places to chill and relax. And so it's a metaphor for the students. They have to go out there and kill it with their academics, but they also have to take care of themselves. So that became the vehicle. I was like, can we give the bobcat more dimension? I was digging through old paintings and old collages I did from when I was a kid, and it's all about architecture and animals. And those seem to be the two major themes that always are in my work now. Obviously, in this case, we're blending both. It's an intervention into the architecture, but yeah, I guess I've had those themes maybe my whole life, and I didn't recognize it until recently. So it starts off with a sketch in my notebook, and then I work with my team. Hey, can we build this in Photoshop? And then it gets modeled even more specifically and added textures on it. It's a reductive process, kind of like chipping away at the marble. A lot of people are talking about mental health. I also am learning about self-love and self-development for the last couple of years. That's something that people don't tell you to do, but eventually you got to know yourself, your strengths, your weaknesses, your triggers, your traumas, all that stuff. That's going to be one lifelong relationship. Somehow I'm trying to bring this in to the academic discourse as well. A lot of us haven't been trained to do that, but it's so important. I try to make the work accessible so that everybody can immediately get into the work, but then they can all bring their own interpretations to it. What does it mean for them? Local habitat is referring to the bobcat, that it lives here, but then I also thought about the students. That's their habitat, that's where they live, that's where they have to recharge. So this project is about that kind of symbol, like here's a safe place for you to come home to.